Hey guys, Kyle from Simpson here. Wanted to show you how to replace a feed pawl on one of our quick drive tools. The feed pawl is over here on this side. It's the part that advances the screws forward. It holds them in place while they're being driven. Also is what you press to release the screws out of the tool. Here's how to fix it if it ever breaks. Start on this side. You've got a guide screw right here. Just using a Phillips screwdriver. Remove that guide screw, flip the tool over, and I use that screwdriver to kind of pry down this feed lever. Pinch the feed pawl shut and slide it out of there. There's the broken one, and there's the new one. Same process in reverse. Pinch the feed pawl shut, slide it in, and then just make sure that this guide lever slides into that feed pawl. Flip the tool back over and reinstall your guide screw. That's it. So if you guys ever need parts or help replacing anything on them, give me or any of the other Simpson reps a shout. We're happy to help.